All right, today, guys, I'm going to go over this blue goo that I use on my projects. I had some questions from guys, where I get it and so on and so forth. And the special thing about this, well, I call it blue goo, is that it has no silica in it. And you know yourself that silica is a semiconductor. And if you start using this stuff, if you use other stuff like blue tack or anything like that around your projects, you could possibly damage some of the components if you pop power on here while those components are touching this, the blue tack. But this stuff here is specifically made. It has no silica in it, and I found a supplier of it, and I bought a little bit of it just so I can keep it on my website for you guys to purchase. I'll leave the link down below where you can get this stuff. But again, it's specifically made for electronic projects because it doesn't have any conductive properties in it. All right. And the nice thing is you can stick it on your bench. You can take your project, put it any position you want, or say that you're, putting a component in right here. You just pop the component in, just hold it in place, and then it just adheses right to your bench. Just solder it right up, hands-free. The other nice thing that I've done with it before is, yourself, you try to take this little tiny cap out, you can actually embed the cap into the blue goo and then stick it to your bench and then desolder it, and as you're desoldering, pull up slightly, and that component will drop right out. Okay, it's pretty nice. That way you don't have to put your needle nose in there and try to, put it in your hands-free thing. And well, you could actually do it that way too if you wanted to. You could stick it in blue goo this way, and pop your pliers here and desolder it and pull out. That's another way. Another nice thing is, like regulators. Say you pop it right in there. You can solder up everything on your regulator. Get it all soldered up, hands-free. It's pretty nice. The other thing I use it for is I got this old beat-up piece of it, and I clean my bench with it. It'll pick up every little metal piece and everything else. Just watch it when you're, rolling it around, because some of those component things are pretty sharp. But yeah, just go around and clean your bench up. That way you have no problem. It's pretty nice. And on the website, you get 2 of these sticks, and the stick, this, I've had this one. This is 1 stick, and I've been using this for about a year now. It's pretty nice, but this one here is just basically for cleaning up. And then I use a nice clean piece when I'm, working on my projects. All right, I just wanted to get that out there, guys. And again, I'll leave a link down below if you want to get some of this. Again, it's specifically made for electronics, and I just call it blue goo. All right, thanks for watching, guys.